Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the phone ready. Unlock the Xperia and keep the screen awake so you can work without timeouts. Once done, confirm the Android version under Settings About Phone so you know menu names. Now open Settings. If TalkBack is already on, use 2 fingers to scroll and double tap to open items. You do this because accessibility changes require precise gestures when the voice assistant is active. Make sure you can navigate before moving on. You now go to Accessibility, then to TalkBack or Screen Reader. This is where Sony keeps the voice assistant controls. Tap the TalkBack entry to open its details. Remember to double tap if the service is active, then toggle the service off and confirm. If the interface is hard to control, hold both volume keys for about 3 seconds to disable TalkBack quickly. This shortcut exists to rescue you from an unresponsive spoken feedback state. Make sure the toggle shows off before proceeding. Finish by confirming spoken feedback is gone. Tap icons once and scroll normally to verify. Once satisfied, open Accessibility shortcuts and disable the volume key toggle if you don't want accidental triggers. If TalkBack refuses to turn off, reboot the phone and try again. If still stuck, boot into safe mode and disable the service from settings while third-party apps are inactive. If nothing works, contact Sony support or use a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.